Hi, my name is Jose.
Hi, my name is Mara.
Hi, my name is Cole.
Hi, my name is Diana.
Today we are going to be talking to you guys about antibiotic-resistant bacteria.
Antibiotic-resistant bacteria is an infection that's caused by bacteria that becomes resistant to antibiotics.
This happens because when you take antibiotics, not all the bacteria is killed. The bacteria that's left over can mutate in a negative way. For this reason, you shouldn't take antibiotics if you don't need to.
You shouldn't use antibiotics for common colds, the flu, sore throats, not strep, runny nose, or infections, because antibiotics don't work against viruses.
The only way for bacteria to develop the resistance to certain drugs, antibiotics, is by exposure. These tougher bacteria can cause longer and more serious infections.
To treat more serious infections, you may need different, stronger antibiotics that have more side effects than the first medicine, and they may cost more.
This is why doctors try to use drugs only when it's necessary. Doing this reduces the chance of resistance. So, what are some causes of antibiotic resistance?
One of the causes of antibiotic resistance is due to the fact that it's very contagious. It can be spread to family members, children, and fellow workers.
In hospitals, it can be passed from patient to patient by the unwashed hands of hospital staff. It can also be passed in everyday environments by a contaminated person touching a door handle or a surface. When someone else touches that surface, they too become contaminated.
Another cause of antibiotic-resistant bacteria is taking antibiotics when you don't need to. For example, when you take antibiotics for a virus, it can actually do more harm to you.
Antibiotic-resistant bacteria is dangerous because your life could easily be put on the line by mild illnesses.
One kind of bacteria that's antibiotic resistant is CDIFF, which is a type of bacteria that lives in many people's intestines and can cause life-threatening diarrhea. It can be found in soil, water, and animal feces. An estimate of 29,300 people die from it per year.
Another example is CRE, which is a bacteria that is hard to treat because of its resistance to antibiotics. Almost half of hospital patients who get bloodstream infections from CRE bacteria die from infection.
Some steps you can take to help prevent antibiotic resistance is to clean your hands constantly.
Stay up to date with vaccines.
Prevent the spread of foodborne infections.
Keep your water safe.
Prevent the spread of sexually transmitted diseases.
Use antibiotics the right way.
Learn when respiratory illnesses need antibiotics.
And feel better with symptom relief.
Antibiotic-resistant bacteria affects Asia and Africa the most, and is predicted by 2050 more than 4,730,000 people will die in Asia, 4,150,000 people will die in Africa from deaths attributed to antibiotic resistance.
It is estimated that in the United States, at least 2 million people are infected with antibiotic-resistant bacteria each year, and more than 23,000 people die as a direct result of these infections.
Antibiotic-resistant bacteria is dangerous and you should prevent it.
Thank you for watching. Please fill out the form in the description box below.